You know, Jamie, there's something thrilling about making a deposit. It's like committing to something deeper, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. It's all about that anticipation. The way you build up your interest, letting it simmer.
But what happens when you want to make an early withdrawal? The temptation can be so strong.
But early withdrawals come with risks, don't they? You might lose out on all those lovely returns.
But isn't it the thrill of the moment that makes it worth it? The rush of taking something before it fully matures?
True. But you have to be careful. You don't want to overdraw on emotions. That could cost you more than you bargained for.
But think of the excitement, the unexpected pleasure of a little risk, a little push and pull.
You mean like teasing just enough to keep that interest growing?
Exactly. There's something intoxicating about the chase, the way you're drawn in deeper.
But sometimes the best deposits are those that grow over time.
And sometimes the best withdrawals are those made when the time feels just right.
Well then, how about we explore the balance between saving and spending a little more tonight?
Now that's an offer I can't resist. Let's see just how much interest we can accrue together.
And maybe, just maybe, we'll find that some withdrawals are worth the risk.
They both laugh softly, the tension building as they continue to flirt over their drinks, the conversation dancing around the themes of desire and investment. Lights dim,